Hi, it's Mike, producer at Casefile Podcast, and in this short video, I want to unbox my new Mac Studio. This is not going to be a review or overview of the computer because I haven't had a chance to play with it, but I want to open the package with you and see what's inside. Now, I've ordered it when they announced the new Mac Studios. I was always interested into M1 processors, and I'm still curious how they will fare in audio post, so I did order the new Mac Studio. I did upgrade the SSD drive to 1 tera and then RAM memory to 64 gigabytes. And because of that, the delivery date was delayed to June. So I wasn't expecting this until like middle of June. It came in today. It's 16th of May, it's Monday. And I don't even have a monitor for it because I was working on iMac until then. So I can't even, plug it in and see what's inside and how it works. I did order the screen, the monitor, LG Ultra Gear, and I'll make another video when it comes in with an arm and we'll put it together and see how it looks on my desk. But all right, enough talking, let's open the box. Now I'm not gonna lie, I did open it already to see what's inside. So it's not proper unboxing, it's still unboxing. But anyway, you get like this kind of squarish box. The way it opens up, it's quite nice. Like a flower thing. Now, this is how the box looks like. The box opens up from the top. You've got to push that in. And we got 2 arrows there, like that. Opens like a flower. We cannot remove the bottom of it. It's quite sturdy. We got the power cable coiled and sitting there. And at the top, at the bottom of the top, is the manual with a sticker and a card. To open it, we just pull that bit and it opens up. It's like 2.5 Mac Minis, I would say. I don't know if you can see it. At the front, we'll have 2 USB 3 ports because this is M1, not M1 Ultra. I think that's a card reader. And at the back, we got Thunderbolts, we got your Ethernet, USBs, HDMI, headphones, and of course, the power, as well as your fans. So that's it. That's what you get in a box. Power cable, manual or a sticker, whatever it is, and the computer. You don't get the keyboard, you don't get the mouse, you don't get any additional cabling. So it's up to you if you think that's worth the price, the cost of that new computer. Now for me, like I said, I'm curious how M1, the new systems, the new sort of unified memory will perform for my work in audio post, in podcast production. And then how it will also, for me, change the workflow when I get my monitor, which will be a 34 ultra-wide curved LG. So a little bit, I guess a little bit more real estate than my 27-inch iMac. Unfortunately, I cannot plug in it yet because I haven't got the screen, but when I get it, I'll make a video how I set up the screen on the desk. Then in, I guess, a few months' time, we'll do an overview and review of that Mac Studio, how it does in audio production. As far as the keyboard and mouse go, I'll keep the ones that I had with my iMac. But yeah, that's it for today. Just a short video to show you what you get for, the price of a Mac Studio. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.